Hi sir, I am Jen Kenneth C. Gonzaga. Today I will introduce who is Jose Garcia Villa. This is Jose Garcia Villa, was a Filipino poet, literary critic, short story writer, and painter, widely regarded as one of the most important Filipino literary figures of the 20th century. He is born on August 5, 1908 in Manila, and he died February 7, 1997 in New York City, United States. He wrote primarily in English and became internationally known for his avant-garde and modernist poet style. Villian began publishing early and moved to the United States in 1929, where he became part of the vibrant literary community of Greenwich Village in New York City. Villa was known for experimental poetry, such as comma poems,